How to cut a shower tray. Always use the safety devices necessary for the work to be performed. Commonly used tools for installers, tiler or plumber, easels, clamps, meter, tile cutter, vacuum cleaner. With the exception of the areas highlighted in pink, the entire surface of the shower tray can be cut. Not cuttable area, 40 by 40 centimeter area around the drain. The installer must mark the cutting line with a pencil and then with a tile cutter. Cut off the excess. Obviously, inclined cuts at an angle and also skewed cuts are possible due to the presence of any columns in the house. After cutting and before installation, carefully sand the cut edges with sandpaper to slightly round the edges. Compared to the competitors, the shower tray is lighter because the bottom is emptied, except for the fixed pitch ribs, which are used to unload the weight on the ground. Here in gray. The shower tray is lighter to save CO2 during shipment and to be moved for the installer or plumber. In the case of installation of cut shower trays, the installer must put a support thickness so that the weight can be unloaded onto the floor. The support or thickness generally used in construction is given by a cut brick or concrete, depending on the needs of the desired height. This is a basic operation for all installers or plumbers. Now it is clear how a shower tray is cut on site. Now just follow the basic instructions to install a shower tray. Thank you. Nicos International. Think solid.